And today we're going to be looking at these Metene wipes. What are these wipes for? These are pre-moistened towelettes for cleaning screens, glasses, iPads, laptops, electronics in general. Basically, it's a scratch-free way to clean your devices and your eyeglasses. Let's go ahead and give one a try. As you can see, you get a box of 100. And it's just like any other wipe. You just rip it open at the top. Unfold a little moist towel, and it's super fast drying, so make sure when you open it, be ready to use it, because if you hesitate, it's going to dry out before you get your phone or your device clean. But the plus side to that is after you're done cleaning, your device is going to dry super quick and super clean. As you can see by the glare, trying to line the glare up for you, not even a speck of dust. So very good to have these in the house, and as I said, they're great for your glasses and your electronics. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.